Travel with style and comfort with the all-new Force Traveler Tourer, customized by Bomb for Force Shillong. Enjoy its big and comfortable cabin along with its large boot space. A new leather interior along with furnished floors, individual charging stations, personalized overhead air conditioning with pleasant after-dark lighting, comfortable reclining seats, adjustable side mirrors, and aerodynamic luggage carrier. For more customizable options, contact Bomb for Force 3rd Mile Upper Shillong.
Unangalam kaseng BJP uba AL hek ulong balada ki Briew Jong Jylla Meghalaya ki Jingshemphang bar ki start kansadan ka Jingkylla ha ki election MLA arhaja arpulai yakani uba hek ulong halor ki Jingkylla ki babun rukam jong ka Jingbam sab kani ka sarkar MDA ka pamenta.
Everybody is talking about the high level, the low level. So this is our people have seen this. And this one you will hearing not only from the secretariat. You go outside secretariat, you go inside secretariat, you go anywhere. People are talking about the glaringly this misuse of power is happening in my government, our government.
So sir, this like the people have that notion that this government is corrupt and all. So don't you think that will have an impact on the BJP as well?
See, of course, when we are also part of the government, we also will be blamed, no doubt. But if you see, BJP has not much role in the government. Okay, if you see that department also holding by the BJP is not a major department. So that is the major role is not there. So those who are holding the major role, they are a major responsibility that the government in the government.
So do you think this 2023 like public will vote against the government because of all these accusations?
If you see the people are talking about our government and against our leaders. If the people are thinking for the future of our states, if they are wise enough, if they understand enough, I think so, the change will come.